Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the Granny Square Motif number 12. For this project, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitching techniques. So to get started, you want to grab your color number 1 and you want to chain 6. Then you will double crochet into the last chain from the hook and chain 2. You'll repeat this 7 times and then you will join with a slip stitch. So here we are, just finishing off round 1 and making sure that I have all of my double crochets. So you're going to join with a slip stitch, and continuing on in this color, you are going to chain 1. Then you are going to work a single crochet into the same space where you joined with a slip stitch. Then you're going to work 3 single crochets into the next chain 2 space. The repeat for this row is going to be single crochet in the next stitch, followed by working 3 single crochets in the chain 2 space. You'll repeat this all the way around, and then you will join with a slip stitch. Then you will fasten off your work and you're going to grab color number 2. So with color number 2, you're going to join where you fastened off from your last round. You are going to chain 4. This counts as your first double crochet, and chain 1. Then in the next stitch, we'll start the repeat of double crocheting into the next stitch. Then you'll chain 1. And you'll repeat this all the way around. You will join with a slip stitch, and then you'll fasten off this color of yarn, and you'll need to grab your color number 3. So here we are, just finishing off. You are going to change to your next color. So with color number 3, we're going to join where we fastened off from the last row. And we are going to chain 1 and then jump straight into our repeat, which is going to be single crocheting in the next chain 1 space, chaining 4, and then single crocheting in the next chain 1 space. You will repeat this all the way around, and then you will join with a slip stitch and you will fasten off your work. Here we are, just fastening off our work, and there you have it. That is how you do the Granny Square Motif number 12. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Crocheting Granny Square video. Have a happy crochet day!